The safety lock is designed to attach with the dumb switch, so no need to install. It will keep your network cable stably connected with the dumb switch. When modular plugs break or become loose, it will cause network lag, disconnection, or other problems. In addition, it can also help you organize network cables, making any potential troubleshooting easier. ST105D and ST108D have 8-pin of port. It makes your data transmission faster and more stable. ST105GD and ST108GD have Gigabit adaptive ports. It provides faster data transfer and make full use of broadband resources. All products are made with high-quality steel casing for better heat dissipation, ensuring the switch can run stably for long periods. Using higher quality components to integrate professional surge protection circuits, it is also stable and reliable in extreme weathers, like thunderstorms, to avoid damage problems. Plug and play, no need for any setup. And now, let me show you how to use it. It's super easy. First, open the safety lock. Then, plug in the network cable. And just close it. Very easy. Now it's your turn to give it a try.